The Cybertruck has an amazing 3D visualization of the electronic wiring, displaying a live 3D model of the vehicle's electrical system on the touchscreen. One completely underrated feature is being able to look at a live state of your vehicle's electrical system and identify any given connector. This is just amazing. This allows the users to identify connectors and monitor system status in real time. This feature is available in service mode. There are other components you can view and interact with. This isn't a static diagram but a dynamic representation that can show active connections, faults, or anomalies in the wiring and connectors. Tesla's push toward advanced diagnostics potentially reduce repair times by providing detailed insights into vehicle systems. This feature is a diagnostic interface designed for technicians and advanced users.